Dr. Burkha Gupta, speech therapist and audiologist, and doing OPD and working, providing our services at Neo Super Specialty Hospital, Noida. And today I will talk about speech and language developmental milestone. In the most of the cases, parents are confused about what is a normal language milestones. Sometimes there is a myth also. Sometimes parents think child will speak till 4, 5, they are waiting, and they are misutilizing, they are not able to utilize the critical age. There are a critical age for the every language milestone development, like cognitive milestones, motor milestones, speech and language developmental milestone. So there are the phases 0 to 3 and maximum 4, we can say. So in this phase the child develop all speech and language developmental things. First age, when we will say the 1 year, 0 to 1 years of the age, my first child started to do the cooing sounds, like some cooing sounds like CB consonant and vowels combinations, and babbling at the age of 6 months. 6 to 7, 8 months around, the child started to do the baba, da da kind of sounds is generally developed. In the stage of 9, 8, 9, 10, this child started to combine most complicated way, reduplicated babblings, jargon phase. So there are not meaningful any speech language sounds, but there are some other sounds, we can say foreign kind of speech. So there is a jargon phase. And after that completion of 1 year, child started to say meaningfully papa and mama. So this is the normal milestones. When the child developed the first birthday, the child started to speak speech, mama, papa, and that should be meaningful. At the age of 2, when we are taking in a grossly way, at the age of 2, child started to combine the sounds, combine the words like mama de do, khana de do, papa aao. So 2 words combinations, phrases label started, and at the age of 3 years, we will say the child started to formulate the simple sentences like 3 words combination, 4 words combination, and now onward the child started to combine the sentences, story, paragraph, rhymes. So all language developmental milestone mostly develop at the age of 3.5 maximum, and this is the age criteria of the government also to take admissions, nursery admissions after that. But most of the parents, they are waiting and they are not able to utilize this milestone. So I want to say, please understand and don't misuse the critical age. This is the very critical age for the child to learn all these aspects, speech and language milestones. If you are feeling your child having some delay in speech and language development, you can go and consult with speech language therapist, and here at New Hospital Sector 50 we are available, and here we at this department we are dealing all kind of speech related problems like autism, delayed speech and language development, misarticulations, stammering, ADHD, cerebral palsy, and adulthood also we are dealing. So यहाँ पे there is a departments, big department which we are dealing in hearing also and speech and language development. So speech and language therapy and hearing assessments and all these facilities we are doing. Thank you.